Hello, Algebra 1 students. Here we are in Unit 5, Tier 3, Lesson 1, Defining Standard Form. Check off your booklet, please.
Here we are in Tier 3, Lesson 1, Defining in Standard Form. So standard form of a linear function is modeled by the equation ax plus by is equal to c. This is where a, b, and c are real numbers, and a and b do not equal 0. This is an important equation because we can find x and y intercepts really quickly if we're in standard form. So whenever we're finding a y-intercept, the x is going to equal 0. So if we're writing our point, we would write the point 0 and then comma whatever we found once we plug in 0 for x. So let's do that given this equation right here. We have 3, and then I'm going to plug 0 in for x, plus 4y is equal to 24. Well, 3 times 0 is just 0 plus 4y equals 24. And to then get the y by itself, I'm going to divide both sides by 4. And then that gives me a y value of 6. So I take that y value and I plug it back in to my point. And now my y-intercept of this equation is 0, 6. Now to find the x-intercept, you do a similar thing. You plug in 0 for a y and then solve for x. So again, I would take that equation, 3x plus 4 times 0, because I'm plugging 0 in for y, equals 24. And then of course my point, my y is going to be 0, and I have to find my x value. I have 4 times 0, which is going to be just 0. So I'm going to have 3x equals 24. To solve for x, I divide both sides by 3. And then I get x equals 8. And then I take this point and plug it back in up here. And my x-intercept is 8, 0. This is the benefits to using standard form. You can find intercepts really quickly. Good luck on your practice sets.